Hello, my name's Agnes Daka from Zambia, and this is Brian Chunga. He's my boy, though he calls me auntie. So we came here because of this problem that he had, though we didn't know that he was having a heart problem until when we see that he had some changes on his body. The tongue used to change, then here the finger cramping that he had. Then from there we went to the clinic, that's in Zambia. When we went to the clinic, they said he's asthmatic, and then he was being put on the treatment of asthma, which the problem couldn't stop until we asked for a referral letter from the clinic to St. Francis General Hospital, which is there in Zambia. And then from there, just after seeing him, they could tell that he had a heart problem. That's when we were being referred from that hospital, St. Francis, to UTH in Osaka. From there, they had to do all the tests. They had to confirm also that it was a heart problem. Until we were being referred again from that UTH to National Heart Hospital when they saw him, and then they also confirmed that he had some holes at the heart. But they had no any option than to put him on the list of coming here to Yashoda Hospital. And then here they also did everything. They had to do all the tests until they also confirmed that he had some holes at the heart. Until at last they had to operate on him. And I thank God that the operation was very successful. As I speak to you, I've seen the changes. Even those finger cramping now, they're even better. Even the tongue is just okay, and he can breathe well, he can eat. Otherwise, even the appetite was bad. He couldn't run, he couldn't do anything. Yeah, it was very bad to him. But I thank God that the doctors were there to help Brian to have a successful operation. I thank Dr. Naresh and everyone who helped Brian to be okay. The experience, I'll say it was good and bad. The time that he was in the theater, I couldn't hold myself. I was just thinking of something else, but with God, I was being relieved. And then the food was just okay. We really enjoyed the food. Yeah, I'm saying even the next group that will be coming, can do the same to them. I thank you very much. Yeah, I will miss India as I'll be living with Brian. I thank you so much.